Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is October 14th, 2021, and let's start taking a look at the futures. I slept in yesterday, and I'm sleeping in today. So let me get to the situation here. All forms of trading carry a high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit in the stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risks involved and if necessary. Seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimers. Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, stock markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Okay. Good morning, everybody. I was playing around just for a minute. I just jumped in and out and then tried to start everything up. And well, it's $75 right now. Just playing around. It's just chop. Just waking up. So what I'm waiting for, I will get into the far technicals. I want to see if I can break out this zone here. This level 1 zone. It's so choppy. I saw it was all consolidation here. And there was just whip out, whip in, and let's go to the other screen here. The same thing here. We're just trying to break this level, and it's just really slow. I think the news, there was supposed to be something of talking about quantitative easing once again. The only thing I don't like is Delta is firing down, that I've noticed, and is holding. So I don't know what's happening. So this is all pushing down too. So it looks like it's supposed to do a quick pop and then a reversal. I would like to get the fib target 1. Right here, fib target 1, and go from there. So what I'm going to do now, since it finally hit that pop zone, 52.53, see what happens right after fib target 1. If it does, I'm going to buy it. It all depends on this fib target 1 here. Because right now, this is supposed to be the flip over, and this is what I don't like. See how it just rejects red at target 1? So we're going to wait. Because Delta is going down and this is going up. So it means this is supposed to be the end before the turnaround. Where else are we there? 52.53, still holding. Let me just get certain things set up here. Yeah, 482 contracts on 50 so far. Where else is there? 642, 758 at 49.20. So this is where most of the contracts are right now. And we're holding at 50. And see, this is where this zone is. And this thing's driving me crazy here because there was such a big gap. And if it breaks target 1, I'll go for it. And that's all I'm waiting for. Then we know we can get to this quarter and maybe fib target 1, but it's grinding ever so slowly. But we got until 10:05, so we'll see what the delta is doing, because the delta is dropping. Like, I mean, everything's going opposite right now, and this is what I don't like. I'm waking up now. See, delta just fired right down. Look at this, constantly going down. This is constantly going up. There you go. There's your drop off. So we're already at negative 700 contracts here. Back at volume point of control. No, we're way up here still. So got a ways for volume point of control. The other crazy thing is we on the volume side, we had high volume right here. She's just squeezing it. Hit target 1. It's right here. It's 14,900. Unless if it pops this, then I can jump in. Let's see, Delta. Yeah, Delta's still pulling. tap, tap, tap. That's what I'm looking at. 3 taps there, holding it. We are, might hold that until, oh wow, 669.66. We'll see. Because the market down, like when I made the $75, is it wasn't market down. I got somewhere within the chop. It was a lost win. Just so I said forget it when I was waking up somewhere right around here, and then I was slowly putting everything together. Now let's see if this fades down or a major sell-off. Because we have 4 minutes, and then we will know at 10:05 if this is going to be a sell-off that we can keep on aggressively, yeah, to 10:30. The only 2 areas where I think I'll take the trade is we'll see if it bounces off on the market open for continuation up or the sell-off. Because this flat space here, if you think about it, I'm going to see if I can do a region here. I'm going to say there's that flat space started somewhere right around there and wrapped up somewhere around there. And see how she kept on creeping up, and now the flat space is done between this red line and here. And now she's starting to pull back if this map is correct. But it's moving ever so slowly, so. But Delta is finally, it's still pulling down. We're over at 1,000 contracts negative. But it's holding, that's the weird thing. It's not flowing the way it's supposed to flow, so I'm gonna be a little patient here and see if that's just a pull down in Delta for a really aggressive pull up. Because even though I want to check my daily chart here, actually I haven't done that. Like literally I was waking up here. So we do have a really aggressive push up here. Wow, what a crazy transition this past 2 phases. See, they're trying to break 40 here and we hit 50, so they are trying to punch through. So this might be finally that transition I was telling you about a double inverse, if it does work, because then we get into this phase here. So that's the area of concern. What area of concern would that be? The 2 ticks here. It's around 15,000 once it gets going. What a crazy day yesterday. I should have traded yesterday. Okay. Alrighty. We're already, yeah, we're still around negative 1,200 Delta. Now, if you really think about it, from here to here, so from 1950 to 1480 is a 60-point move. That's insane. So from 50 should be 410, is it? Yeah, 1510. So what I'm going to do as well, these are the days that you hate. Look at that stop region, stop out volume. And from 930, it's down here. And then of course your volume point of control. Now we're going to see if we pop out of this 50 zone for 10 o'clock. And if we do, then I can jump in and hopefully, yeah, she's not going to. Hopefully, I think this thing is working. She wants to bust through, doesn't she? But we are at 10 o'clock, right, top of the hour. Okay, so at top of the hour, this is when we'll know. Can we break here? If we can, I'm buying in. Okay, I'm going to go for it right now. Yeah.
Order filled.
And then whatever, hopefully I can get the fib target 1, or we're going to get to 75 here. Depends how much volume this is. Yeah, we got till 3 more minutes, so. Delta's still pushing up. 3, yeah, we're still pushing up. Come on. $69. Still a lot of high volume here, so we might have to shut her down here.
Order filled.
I'll close it right now. Make a few dollars there for that little punch. It's not going the way I still want it. It's because it's 10:05 is we're hitting our peak here, and there's a lot of high volume here. See, there was high volume, high volume, high volume, and she's just shutting down. So we're only at 170 right now. But I think the market will still continue to go up. I just need to know what happens at 75. Then at 75, I'll take it to the next fib target here. It all depends right at 10:05 here where the peak time is. Because it's still not moving overly fast. Delta is still at negative 200. $10.04, $10.05. I would have hit 75 cents. I should have kept it. Okay. Now let's see what happens here. If this is the peak time for turnaround, if not, I can jump in one more time. And what's our delta doing? Our delta is literally at 0. So I'm going to go for it. Let's see here. Another high volume bar. Just wait. Let me see here. 73. See if we can get a pullback on here. You know what I don't have? I forgot about putting this in here. I always forget. Okay, so that would have been my move there. I got to remember keeping this on here. So we're at 77. Delta's still negative. Just hit the positive region just a little bit. Now here's our, where are we? We're at 10:05 right now. This is where I want to see if it's going to hold or if she's going to continue. If not, I'm buying in. Okay, I'm going to go for it.
Order filled.
And so we're from 80. We can get the fib target 1. So I'm going to go like this.
Order submitted.
And I wish, you know what, I might have to update my fib target 1 here. Just a couple of ticks before the fib target 1 marker. Slow grind today. Now we can hit fib target 1 now, so. Where are we at? We hit 85. Keep on going at least till 10:15 to 10:30. What was the highest we hit? I have it at 86.50. So basically it was one more point I needed to make. And what's our delta doing? Our delta is still fighting. Yeah, we should be fine. And then what we'll do is, if it does start pulling down, I'm going to put a buy limit on the trend tracker or the triggerfish, depending what the price reaction is. Get the second one, cut our leverage to half, cash out one, and continue up. Because it is a choppy day today. Yeah, she's just doing a squeeze. It will hit, yeah, it'll hit 86. It's just playing for a while. Because we're at 75. Because basically what this is that's what it is. No, let's do it again. There we go. That's what's happening. So we still can get till 37 here. Needs to punch one more time to get up to that zone. The map is inverted right at that zone there, so. because it needs to do one more punch before 30, so. Almost at that's it's at 85 level again. Pushing up a little bit higher. Just need that one last pop.
Order filled.
We're done. 7 points. And touch Fibonacci 1. Done. I'm done for today. Lower dollar day today, guys. 325. So, but that's okay. So basically, I was trying to get to this Fibonacci marker to the top here. It still might go up. It's just very slow today. I've been used to high volatility. So now, in conclusion, did I have one trade or two trades? I guess the one. I guess. So no, two trades. Yeah. So I took the first run to see from this point forward from the impulse move just right out of level 1. Or sorry, out of this level section. And I got to that 75 because right now she's just creeping. I don't like this right now. It's creeping up and it's pulling away. I like it to follow the pattern. When it's doing this, something's gonna happen, but whatever. And so I relied on, once it started breaking again, let's go back to here. Once it starts breaking again, then I was trying to say fib target 1, if not level 1. I know this is a conservative fib target, the way it's grinding, so I said I'll take that one. She's not moving the way I like it, and so I'll just be very conservative and try to get up there. Other than that, do you have any questions? Feel free to email me at ABC123Trader. Just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day. Take care.